Welcome to my YouTube channel's Meher Tutorials. Today we will discuss about some important points or notes of class 10th science, that is biology chapter control and coordination. We all discuss today control and coordination, some important points or notes. The change in environment to which organisms respond and react is called stimuli. The change in environment to which organisms respond and react is called stimuli. The gravitational factors such as heat, light, cold, touch, taste, smell, force of gravity, etc. act as a stimuli to induce response and reaction in living organisms. Environmental factors such as heat, light, cold, touch, taste, smell, force of gravity, etc. act as a stimuli to induce response and reaction in living organism. The working of together of different organs of a body of an organism in a proper manner to produce proper reaction to a stimulus is called coordination. Coordination means the working together of different organs of a body of an organisms in a proper manner to produce proper function to a stimulus is called coordination. Proper coordination and control. There are two systems. For proper control and coordination, there are two systems required. First is nervous system and second is endocrine system. So first of all we discuss nervous system. Nervous system means the nervous system is composed of specialized cells called neurons which exercise control by sending electrical signal called nerve impulse. Nervous system is composed of specialized cells called neurons which exercise control by sending electrical signals called nerve impulse. Okay. Next, nerve cell or neuron are the structural and functional unit of nervous system. This is an important point. Nerve cell or neurons are the structural and functional unit of nervous system. Here is the diagram of structure of neuron. It contains dendrite, nucleus, cell body, axon, myelin sheath, Schwann cell, node of nerve, axon terminals. First of all, we will discuss one by one. Cell body. First point. The cell body is also called as cyton. It has abundant cytoplasm called neuroplasm and spherical nucleus, mitochondria, neurotubules and neurofibrils. Cell body has abundant cytoplasm called neuroplasm and spherical nucleus, mitochondria, neurotubules and neurofibrils. Then 2 number, dendrites. Dendrites means there are several short branches stretching out from cell body. They conduct nerve impulse toward cell body. Number 3, axon. It is a single very long cylindrical fibers arising from cell body Axon is a single very long cylindrical fibers arising from cell body. They conduct nerve impulse away from cell body. They conduct nerve impulse away from cell body. They have an insulating and protecting sheet of myelin around it. They have, that means axon have an insulating and protecting sheet of myelin around it. The neuron lie end to end in chains to transmit nerve impulse. Neuron lies end to end in chain to transmit nerve impulse. Each neuron receives an impulse through its dendrites and pass it on the next neuron in the chain through axon via cell body. Each neuron receives an impulse through its dendrites and passes it on the next neuron in the chain through axon via cell body. There occur a very minor gap between terminal portion of axon of one neuron and dendrite of other neuron. There occurs a very minor gap between terminal portion of axon of one neuron and dendrite portion of another neuron. This gap is called synapse. The synapse acts as a one-way valve to conduct impulse in one direction only. Synapse acts as a one-way valve to conduct impulse in one direction only. This is because a chemical substance called neurotransmitter is excreted only on one side of gap of axon's side. That is, a chemical substance called neurotransmitter is secreted only on one side of gap, that is axon side. Dear students, today we have discussed about control and coordination first part, that is proper control and coordination. There are two systems required: nervous system, endocrine system. We have discussed nervous system first point, that is neurons, structure of neurons. Then we will discuss next topic in our next class. ठीक है, थैंक यू.